Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix remove link on Instagram. So first go for your profile, click on edit profile, now go for link and you can see I have already linked to my Facebook account. Just go for in this arrow button and click on remove from bio and it's removed now, you can see. So that's it, that's the process. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.